Hi, my fellow Americans. Today it's my fellow Americans, not just my fellow New Yorkers. As you may have heard recently, a few minutes ago, my father's law license was suspended by the New York State First Appellate Division of the Supreme Court. Now, the 5 judges that ruled on it, Judge Rolanda Acosta, Judge Diane Renwick, Judge Sally Daniels, Judge Judith Gishi, and Judge Barbara Kaepernick. All 5 of them are Democrats, 3 of which were appointed by Andrew Cuomo. 5-0, ultimately. Democrats with 0 Republicans on there. Again, this is just unbelievable to see just how politicized all of this has become. I am infuriated by all of this, and any American that believes in an independent justice system, this is going after one of President Trump's closest allies. That's exactly what this is. And any American that doesn't believe that, they are just biased. This is unacceptable, and I stand by my father. He did everything ultimately by the book, and the fact that there would be this politicization in our Justice Department is disgusting. It is a cancer that needs to be cut out, and it needs to be cut out right now. Thank you for listening. Stay tuned. I'll have more statements later in the day.
Rudy Giuliani, the former personal lawyer for former President Donald Trump, who once held one of the legal profession's most prestigious jobs, was suspended Thursday from practicing law in New York State by an appellate court that found he made demonstrably false and misleading statements about the 2020 election. In a ruling released following disciplinary proceedings, the court concluded that there is incontroverted evidence that Giuliani, the former Manhattan U.S. attorney, communicated demonstrably false and misleading statements to courts, lawmakers, and the public at large in his capacity as lawyer for former President Donald J. Trump and the Trump campaign in connection with Trump's failed effort at re-election in 2020. Giuliani's conduct immediately threatens the public interest and warrants interim suspension from the practice of law, the court wrote. Giuliani said later Thursday that he was not very happy with the court's decision and argued that his comments were not a threat to the public. "I made all those statements, not a single one of them led to a protest, a riot, an incident, and anything," he said in an interview with Newsmax. "Obviously, those statements do not have the impact of creating danger." Rudy continued. "It's obvious that Rudy is upset, but not as upset as his son shown at the beginning of this video."